So that was my last bolt under the car. Let me show you guys what's going on. So I just installed this arm, this gray arm that you see there, and there's the other one over there. And everything under the car now is polyurethane. Everything's strong. Everything is refreshed. So now it's just for the diff to mount up. So everything is all ready, guys. We're gonna go back through. I mean, from you can see, on the air was painted before with undercoating, but we're gonna go back right through it. Like this area that I just painted, this will be under this. It's going to be hidden, so that's why I paint that area. The spring is gonna go there, so we won't have access to that area. So I painted this side already. So yeah, and we use rust converter paint, so under here won't rust anymore. But we need to go back to it, you know, over the years it get beaten up for some reason, or maybe this yeah, see this a drop off. Yeah, definitely need to rub off and do some more undercoating. So for the shovel we need some diff oil, and for the smart car we need engine oil. So we're trusting Valvoline with this one.
The largest variety of Jamaican merchandise, 15% off.
This is your automotive art, of course, and Valvoline.
Alright, so here's what we got, guys. We got oil for the diff, and we got some parts cleaner, and for the engine oil we're gonna go with this engine oil. Yeah, I don't want the engine to run real good because we're gonna put some real stress through the engine, so we have to go with this grade oil, which is the highest grade and the best grade. Also got some fender protection when you're working on a car. You can put this over the fenders. And we also got another box right here. We're gonna leave this with damage for any future projects that he has. You know, he can use this in his car. So we're gonna drop this off so we can get the car started, and well, I need to get back the diff for the shovel so we can install it. So we need to drop these off so they can seal up the diff. Let me say thanks to Automotive Art and Valvoline for coming on this project, and they've been supporting my projects, you know, for a while now, and you know, I'm very happy for that. But with all these projects, you know, they can get very expensive very quick, so all the support, you know, is very necessary, and I welcome all the support. And support doesn't only mean, you know, from sponsors and, you know, getting free products. You know, it also comes from the mechanic. If the mechanic doesn't support your project, it's not going to go anywhere. So you need support in every way. So again, thanks to Automotive Art and Valvoline for supplying me with these oils and, you know, all the stuff that we need. And big up again to Damage. We're heading to the garage now, guys. I had no intention of vlogging the smart car today, but Damage just video called me and show me some progress, guys. I have to show you guys. So I'm actually rushing there right now because I'm excited. The full exhaust system is done, and it neat. So I'm heading there now. Like, a lot of rain been falling for the last 3 days or so, so the electrician hasn't been able to go and do any wiring on the car yet. So the full exhaust system is done. I mean, the oil feed system is done, the drain off system is done, everything is done on that part. The only part that is left is just the wiring and then the fire it up. So I have to show you guys. I know I said I wasn't going to show any more videos until the car start, but the excitement is real, guys. Oh, go on, go on. There. Can it is?
Team same man.
Can you reach? Yeah, reach. Hold on, pan the box there now. I hear. I don't want to hear one next one.
No, the one not quite having a filter.
Eh? Yeah, next
That's up
one I
to
hear.
Baval, you know.
Yeah, man.
If you have a talk with them, you know.
Yeah, man, for
Get
sure.
them some good machine on the road.
Yeah.
In the track there.
Alright. So, can it. Right, good time, you know? Yeah, man. And people ask somebody who do the wire, you know. So, who know can you know? So, can you? Because me never know him, so I know him now too.
You know my man.
Yeah?
Nah, remember me when you have the skyline down, me turn one day,
Yeah.
pump with that jam up and
Oh!
me tell you to cut the power steering.
Yeah. Okay. I'll look on it this one. Pretty like money. Run, dog. Yeah man. This is it, guys. This is it. When kind of finish up, we'll show you guys the exhaust. I'm gonna show you a look at preps on the side there, so. Man! Exhaust genius. Yo, the video I say I look tough, man. Alright guys, so while the electrician take a break, I could look at all, guys, look at all that exhaust work. Yo, this neat, man. It's neat. Can't see anything under here, so wrap, this wrap, wastegate up there, the drain off. Yeah, but this run nice though. This is supposed to sound real good. And you see the cherry bomb, the resonators. Nice. Come back. Neat, man. Yeah, man. I love it. And guys, while all of this is going on, they managed to put in the engine that they ever and all of that. And they work fast, you know, man.
Hard work.
Yeah, man. What? Go pick up Amika's too. Go on. Yeah, I forgot to the school gate fast now. I rev the engine so everybody can hear. Guys, yesterday when I left here, you know, nothing ever in here, so no engine, no nothing. I mean, you guys remember from the last video, we were looking at the fan over there and stuff. Nothing engine in now. We're just waiting on the oil to start it, and a few other things. But yeah, this car is supposed to be ready for Dover this weekend. Man, I miss driving at Evo, you know. I really miss driving at Evo. Alright guys, so we're heading back home, and I don't want to disturb the electrician. I want him to continue doing his thing, you know what I mean, to get it done as fast as possible. So I'm just gonna leave out of the space and, you know, let them do their job. So heading back home, whoever was asking about the electrician, that's the electrician who is wiring up the car, and hopefully can get it done by the end of the day. Then tomorrow we'll put some fire in the engine, you know what I mean? So thanks for watching, guys. The exhaust looks really good. I like the exhaust. I like how they loop it around, you know, and sick. Everybody's getting excited about the car. I'm super excited, and you know, everybody's excited just to see how it's going to drive after it's done. Alright, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.